Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the day after the FOMC meeting and the interest rate decision yesterday. Now, yesterday we had a live stream in which we covered it live, as you might expect. And in that, what we saw. So if you follow that, I'll just repeat briefly what my thoughts are regarding what happened. Obviously, the interest rate decision or the interest rate went down from 5.5 to 5% unexpectedly, because I thought 5.25 would be more likely. And so far, it seems like the market is reacting bullish to that. All right. Yesterday, we also talked briefly about the possibility that a 50 base points cut would instill some fear about a recession. But the press conference after the interest rate decision itself yesterday was just entirely bullish, I would say. We're going to get more rate cuts. Their target rate, excuse me, let me put my microphone a little bit lower. Their target rate is like 4.4%, I think, on average at the end of the year. So interest rates are going to be dropping down. There's no real recession fears at this point of time. So that's bullish for crypto. And that's also why we saw, well, first of all, a lot of volatility, but you were warned for that. And second of all, bullish momentum so far. Now, what I also said yesterday, and I still believe that, and I think right now we're kind of in the middle of finding that out. What I said is that these interest rate cuts are 100% bullish for the next couple of months, and just in general, the medium to long term, right? The short term, however, I am a little bit less convinced about. I mean, if you look at the 12-hour time frame here, we're very much on the breaking point, where this could very much be the start of a new uptrend up to 64, 67, 68,000 at the very least, and then we will start to talk about whether we can break this structure here. But we're very much on the edge, and you can see on the 4-hour time frame we also broke above 62,000. And 62,000, in my opinion, is one of the most important levels here. It's the 618 fib of this entire move down. But apart from that, and you can easily see that on the chart as well, it's just a very strong resistance level. So we've now broken above that. Excuse me. We've now broken above that, and therefore it looks most likely that we're going to be bullish here. Potentially retesting a little bit lower here in this area between 61,300 and 61,950. But the most likely direction here looks bullish. Now, would I buy Bitcoin then? No. I bought Bitcoin yesterday at 60,000, but I would today wait for at least, some things were going on, all right? But today I would at least wait to see if we can get some continuation over the course of the day. All right, so for example, what will the stock market do? Stock market, the pre-market is trading higher, so that's great. What will the dollar strength index do? If the dollar strength index looks like it's breaking down here, that's another bullish indication. If we can get those bullish indications and bullish confirmations, then I think it's most likely we will continue up into 63, 64, maybe 65, but that would seem a little bit high, I would say. So wait for that. I think it's most likely here, if you look at the technical situation here, that we'll pull back. And that we will make higher highs here on the lower time frames. But if you really want to trade this with size, like you can scalp a lot. I mean, a lot of cryptos also this morning pumped up quite a bit, and the market circumstances right now are definitely more bullish than bearish. But if you really want to trade Bitcoin, if you really want to open big positions, I would still wait until we get that confirmation with the US opening today. All right, because if the US opens poorly, like if the dollar strength index bounces, if the stock market retraces here and the pre-market doesn't matter, then Bitcoin will pull back as well. And then we could still have a big pullback into 58, 56,000, right? So be prepared for that. I'll keep you updated on that. I'll probably make some sort of an update video later today as well. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and trade safe. Bye.